It's our brain that sets us apart from other animals, the only object conscious of itself. The brain is 3 pounds of soft tissue, containing 14 billion nerve cells called neurons. When we think, minute electrical signals flash between these nerves, creating a network of trillions of connections. The spinal cord is our body's information superhighway. Nerve fibers carry electrical signals to and from the brain as fast as 800 miles an hour. All parts of the brain are connected by bundles of nerve fibers crisscrossing the interior like telephone lines. Each time we repeat an action or a word, the connection we're using becomes stronger. So, as we learn, we literally rewire our brains. The rewiring takes place on the surface of the brain, in a layer just 1/8 of an inch thick, the cortex.
Can you start?
The nerve cells in the cortex do the thinking that's uniquely human.
In other words, if you're good.
The cortex forms 2 distinct hemispheres. The left hemisphere thinks in words, while the right thinks in images and feelings. To keep it all straight, nerves exchange information through a dense band at the base of the brain. For muscle control, the lines of command cross over. Each hemisphere handles one side of the body, from feet and legs to hands and eyes. The left side of the body is connected to the brain's right hemisphere, and sensations from the right side of the body end up in the left. Each part of the cortex is responsible for a different part of the body. Speech, emotion, and skilled movements are generated in the frontal lobe. The motor cortex handles body movement. The part of the brain that senses touch is here. Because different areas of the skin are more sensitive than others, this is what the body looks like to the brain. There are far more nerves in the hands alone than in the entire back. Tongue, lips, and fingers stand out as the most sensitive skin regions. Our dominant sense is sight. Seeing doesn't happen in the eyes, it happens in the cortex. It's estimated that vision takes up more than 1/3 of our total sensory awareness. In computer terms, the combined work of the eyes and brain alone would take at least 10 billion